To replace this camshaft position sensor, you'd want to unplug it first. So pull back on this lock. That prevents you from unplugging it. If it's hard to push back, you can use a screwdriver. There we go. Now you can press on the connector, set that aside, and then with a 10mm socket, you can disconnect the mounting bolt for it. Now you can slowly pull this out. Oil will come out, so make sure you have a rag ready. Absorb all of the drippage. And with a clean rag, what you can do is just clean out the outside part of the hole here where the gasket seals up to make sure that there's no debris. Obviously, only do this with a clean rag. Take your new sensor, slide it in, make sure it's bottomed out. Line it up with the bolt hole and slide the bolt in. With it bottomed out, let's go ahead and tighten it. Make sure it's nice and snug. Plug it back in, lock it,